Where Queenie a do pan sting? Mr. Len, what Queenie a do pan bomber clot sting? Secondly, you can put on big idiot Queenie them after big Bounty Killer, Baby Sham, Richie Stevens, Bugle, Macadam. What you do? Every what are you doing? If people want to talk about one wrong bang for sting, that are one of them. Who dirty Queenie a do pan sting stage? After the disgusting behavior them have last year, and the disgraceful energy where them bring down pan sting, where Queenie even not doing a venue. If I me Queenie could even get a ticket for buy. Queenie help waste some of the time why the show end up, you know. Queenie should have worked from day before yesterday. When not know a jammer, she alone just go over there go sing and somebody video her. She fi cry, she fi go sit down. Queenie fi go bathe and put on her nightie and go sleep. Someone gonna look somebody fi laugh after, you know. And a rate a Queenie, you know. Uno have no stress, so no want somebody fi look on and laugh after. That's what I want to do. Me want she take care of herself and go find herself and be a grandmother.